first thing I want to ask you is, how many times have you heard that there are too many attorneys? Have you heard that before? Okay. Guess what? There are not enough attorneys that look like you. There are not enough attorneys of color. When I was a prosecutor, guess what? When I walked into court every day, the people in that courtroom looked just like me and you. And there's a problem there. And the only way that we can address that problem is by having more of you go to law school, more of you practicing law. And it might mean that you think outside of the box. Start treating applying to law school as if you are an adult. I don't know if anybody has ever said that to you before. But just as they are sort of interviewing you, you need to interview the law schools, right? Make sure it's the right fit for you. Make sure that diversity is important to that law school, because if it isn't, then you shouldn't be there. If they are unwilling to give you scholarships, maybe you shouldn't be there. Because if you want to go into public interest law, right, you can't have $500,000 worth of debt. If you want to be a solo practitioner, you can't have $500,000 worth of debt. Exposure is key. Do as many internships as possible. Get yourself out there. If you have a moot court program, take advantage of it. The other thing that I would challenge you to do is don't run from constructive criticism. I am very hard on my students. Now, I don't have to teach at Morehouse because I have 16 or 17 other jobs. I teach at Morehouse because I want to be there and I want to make a difference, but that comes with a price. That means that my students get cussed out. Start thinking about your careers early. Think about what type of career you want to have after law school. Think about if you need scholarships. Don't be afraid to ask for them. Get as much experience and exposure as you possibly can now.